Did you know that procrastination is a silent productivity killer?
That thing is a killer!
Today, I'll unlock the secrets to stopping procrastination and being more productive. Ever found yourself stuck in the endless loop of being idle? You're not alone. In a world where distractions thrive, mastering the art of focus is paramount. Stick around and I'll give you a comprehensive guide on how to battle procrastination. In the twists and turns of our daily lives, procrastination is a tricky challenge that many of us face. Imagine having a list of things to do, but there's this feeling that makes you put them off.
I don't want to do anything.
That feeling is procrastination. Sometimes it's easy to get distracted by things that give us instant pleasure, like playing games or watching videos. And this is a big deal because it stops us from making our dreams come true. But just knowing that procrastination is a common problem is like finding a treasure map. Because the first step in fixing a problem is realizing it exists. Are you aware that on average, people spend 2 hours a day on non-essential tasks, leading to a significant loss in potential output?
Are you serious?
This habit affects both personal and professional spheres, hindering growth and success. Delving into the psychology of procrastination, research by Piers Steele from the University of Calgary suggests that it often stems from a lack of motivation and goal setting. Steele's research also acknowledges that procrastination is not merely a manifestation of laziness or a lack of motivation. Understanding this allows for the development of targeted interventions, such as breaking down tasks into smaller, more manageable components. Have you ever felt the weight of procrastination holding you back from your goals? Let us know in the comments. Now that we've unraveled the mysteries of the brain, it's time to equip ourselves with a battle plan to help conquer procrastination. Also, if you stick with us until the end, I'll give you a guaranteed science-backed technique to help you overcome your procrastination. Embarking on this battle requires a strategic plan, and the first step is to create a to-do list that serves as your roadmap, not just a random assortment of tasks. This list becomes your guide, helping you navigate through responsibilities with purpose. Consider it your trusted companion on this journey, steering you away from the abyss. According to insightful research by Cycle, structured planning is a potent antidote to the procrastination bug. Now let's talk prioritization, the secret of any effective battle plan. Prioritize your tasks based on urgency and importance. Think of it as putting together a team where each task has a role to play. Urgent tasks take the lead, charging ahead like cavalry, while important ones hold the fort like infantry. This strategic approach ensures you're not just busy, but purposeful. Breaking down tasks into manageable chunks is the next key maneuver in your procrastination battle plan. Instead of facing a colossal challenge head-on, dissect it into smaller, more manageable parts. This approach, which is similar to breaking a large puzzle into pieces, makes even the most daunting task more approachable. After deconstructing tasks, assign specific time slots to each. This isn't just time management. This step is about choreographing your schedule, ensuring a smooth flow of productivity. Designate moments for each task to take the spotlight, creating a well-orchestrated routine. Lastly, celebrate victories along the way. You should celebrate the completion of each task regardless of its size. Every accomplishment, no matter how small, contributes to your overall success. Recognize these wins as fuel for your momentum. This battle against procrastination is not just about defeating it. It's about relishing the joy of accomplishment. Armed with all these weapons, you're not just a warrior against procrastination. You're becoming the hero of your productivity journey. Turning theory into action to beat procrastination means changing how you go about your daily routine. One effective technique is to introduce time blocks, a concept that transforms the abstract notion of a to-do list into a tangible schedule. For instance, designate the morning hours for high-priority tasks that require peak concentration, reserving the afternoon for less demanding activities. To illustrate, consider a typical workday. Begin by allocating the first time block to tackle critical tasks that demand your utmost attention. Let's say from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m., you focus exclusively on a project report. Break down this sizable task into smaller goals. Complete the introduction by 9:30 a.m. Gather relevant data by 10:15 a.m., and so on. For the afternoon, designate a time block to address less mentally taxing tasks. Set specific goals within this block. Reply to all urgent emails by 2 p.m. and declutter your desk by 3 p.m. As you achieve these mini milestones, you not only make progress but also experience a sense of accomplishment. By structuring your day with these habits, you create a framework that not only boosts productivity, but also serves as a formidable defense against procrastination. As promised, it's time for me to reveal the guaranteed science-backed technique that can help you overcome your procrastination.
Let's hear it. Let's hear it.
If you watched our How to Be More Productive series, I mentioned this technique before. I'll leave a link in the description. The secret is the Pomodoro technique, a time management method developed by Francesco Cirillo in the late 1980s. To implement the Pomodoro technique, start by selecting a task, set a timer for 25 minutes, and immerse yourself in focused work. Once the timer rings, take a short break, around 5 minutes, to recharge. Repeat this cycle for a predetermined number of rounds, usually 4, and then take a more extended break, say 15 to 30 minutes. This incremental progress can be particularly motivating, serving as a powerful countermeasure to procrastination's inertia. Now, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more uninterrupted learning. And share your success stories and challenges in the comments below. If you want to unlock your creativity and innovation, be sure to watch this video next. Remember, stopping procrastination is just the beginning. Your next steps matter. Take charge of your time, apply what you've learned, and watch as your productivity soars. Don't just witness the change, be the change.